Welcome back to my Waiz tube. Today is a swimming pool day. Today my brother is going to swim by this to water wings. The water wings is for 5 years and 12 years. To be from this says swim safe ABC. Before this from there's
Can you open it?
Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it. But you want to see the steps. This one is A, B, C. The C is for water wings. Ready? Yeah. Go.
Okay.
So this one water wing.
Okay.
Another water wing.
You have two.
Water wings.
Okay.
And back one, back two, and instruction booklet.
Okay. So, what's next?
Today we're
Blow.
gonna be blow. I actually am done before.
Try.
I can't breathe. I have no oxygen.
Maybe your brother can help.
You?
Okay. So.
And today's gonna be we can blow. We done blows. Let's see.
Okay.
If you want to play, yeah, like this.
You put.
Like this.
Okay.
Iron Man. If you want to really be a flying, if you want to make it flying, just like a parachute. Oh no, that's not good. I have no parachute because it's just a family. If you want to subscribe, please comment with the below. And this one's the water wings.
So, how to use it?
Thanks. Okay. Before you're gonna put the step C water wing
Okay.
like this, and from this one is from in your waist.
Okay.
Like this and like this.
Then you can go to.
Swim.
Okay.
So my swim pool to get to deep pool. If you want to play, just take my brother. Get out.
So that is for your brother.
Yes, that's fun.
Okay.
Okay, please subscribe and like in the comments, like and subscribe, and like it, share.
Okay.
Do you know this emoji is called it's gonna be like this, and like this.
Okay.
Now, please you take an emoji. Bye.
Bye.